Hello and welcome to the Economic Times Global Capability Centers Growth Summit 2025 Hyderabad. I am Apurva Shukla and with me is Ms. Lavina Lobo, who is the Director and Head of Tech Practice from Incest Consulting. Hi, Lavina.
Hi, very good morning.
Very good morning. So the first question to you is, what kind of challenges you face when you align tech expertise with business vision?
I think the first challenge that we say is because the business goals are never firm. It keeps changing, it keeps evolving. So for tech talent to make them understand how they need to be nimble, how they need to be agile to kind of adapt and change very frequently is something that we find it as a challenge. But I think thanks to e-commerce industry, we have very matured, tech talent over there who understand business goals, and they are also very averse to changes because morning you strategize, afternoon you are changing something, evening it evolves and it becomes something else. But I think this will be a constant challenge for them to align, and it is something that we need to kind of improve our process and coach them to understand business goals. But great technology leaders have become business leaders, and I think rest is history. We will definitely find good talent there.
Another question to you is, since you spent some hours at the event, I really want to know how's your overall experience at the event and what exactly you're most excited about.
I think the understanding of the upcoming GCC to understand because we as a search firm we always see business first. It's not about just talent. It's to see what business requirements are and then align the talent over there. We understand the business. Sometimes I don't know whether we are arrogant, but we are like we know business better than the business sometimes to understand what kind of people will work for them. So for as a firm, for us to understand that what are their needs and what are the sectors that what are the processes that they're moving into the country to understand their requirement. I think this is a great platform. I've been enjoying each conversation. I think it's a great platform for us to unite with them.
Thank you, Lavina, for the amazing insights. And stay tuned to ETCIO to know more about what's happening right here at this event.